2024 Ram 1500 TRX. Starting at $97.485. Highs. Extremely freaking quick, serious off-road chops, a warm and looks interior. Lows. A thirsty date, an automotive Giganotosaurus, no rear-wheel drive mode. Verdict. The endangered species list of vehicles with suboptimal fuel economy gets a little shorter as the TRX goes extinct. Overview. A beast-like snarl snorts beyond the crest of a muddy Orv trail, but this is no ordinary wild animal or hog, it's the furiously quick 702 HP Ram 1500 TRX. Under the hood, a powerful supercharged 6.2-liter V8 sucks up fuel as if it were drinking from a garden hose. An 8-speed automatic transmission handles gear shifts, and the truck's four-wheel drive system carries this enormous off-road animal in even the most treacherous places. The TRX only has two predators to look out for, the 700 HP Ford F-150 Raptor R and the quickest truck we've ever tested, the all-electric Rivian R1T. Unfortunately, time has run out for the mighty TRX, as Ram announced 2024 as its final year. What's new for 2024? The Ram 1500 TRX is all bad news bears for 2024, as parent company Stellantis announced it will be the final year of the 702 HP pickup. A final edition is offered exclusively for the 2024 model year, but only 4,000 will be built. This TRX final edition is available in three exclusive colors, Delmonico Red, Night Edge Blue, and Harvest Sunrise. The satin titanium beadlock-capable wheels and bedside graphic are also exclusive. Ram adds patina contrast stitching with TRX embroidery to the interior, and the words Final Edition appear in the gauge cluster. Other bits and pieces of the interior, such as a satin titanium finish and special faux suede door panels, help make the final edition that much more special. Pricing and which one to buy. TRX. $97,485. Final edition. $119,620. Even though the TRX starts just north of $80,000, it's a lot of truck for the money. While the base version is certainly well equipped, it lacks some features that we'd expect to be standard. For example, a heated steering wheel and heated front seats cost extra, and they're otherwise only available with the Level 1 package. That pushes its price ahead by nearly $4,000 but brings a smorgasbord of upgrades. Highlights include leather-trimmed seats, cargo box lighting, a flat-bottom steering wheel wrapped in leather and micro-suede, a storage compartment under the rear seat, and more. We'd select that option as well as the trailer tow package to maximize the pickup's pulling abilities. Engine, transmission, and performance. Hiding between the TRX's bulging fenders and below its scooped hood is a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8. More popularly known as the Hellcat engine, this specific version produces 702 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque, which is sent to all four wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission. During our testing, the TRX shot to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds and completed the quarter mile in 12.3 seconds at 110 miles per hour. That makes it the quickest pickup we've ever tested. Despite its hefty curb weight and huge footprint, the Hellcat-powered Ram is surprisingly refined and easy to handle on paved roads. Still, its supercharged V8 is ready to emit exciting sounds from its exhaust pipes. Of course, the TRX is meant to play in the mud, rocks, and sand too. Along with a reinforced steel frame, it boasts a beefed-up suspension built to bend and bound with more than 13 inches of travel. It rolls on a set of massive 35-inch all-terrain tires mounted on 18-inch wheels that contribute to the truck's 11.8 inches of ground clearance. Ram says the half-ton Hellcat can also ford up to 32 inches of water. Every TRX comes with enough underbody plating to protect a Brinks truck, Bilstein remote reservoir dampers, an electronic locking rear differential, and gigantic 15.0-inch front brakes. What's more? Towing and payload capacity. Although the TRX can't tow as much as some Ram models, which are currently rated at up to 12,750 pounds, it can still pull a substantial amount. It has a maximum towing capacity of 8,100 pounds, 100 less than the F-150 Raptor, and it's able to carry up to 1,310 pounds of payload, 80 less than the Ford. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The TRX is estimated to earn a lowly 10 mpg in the city and a not much better 14 mpg on the highway. Those figures are significantly lower than the Raptor, which has ratings of 15 mpg city and up to 18 highway. We tested the TRX on our 75 miles per hour fuel economy route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, and observed a paltry 13 mpg highway. For more information about the TRX's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Ram has redefined expectations for truck interiors with its latest half-ton pickups, which deliver rich-looking materials and impeccable insulation from outside noise. That level of luxury and refinement looks to continue on the TRX, which is offered solely as a crew cab with the short cargo bed. Inside, the base model's cloth upholstery and standard equipment is based on the Ram 1500 Rebel. However, the optional TR1 and TR2 packages make the cabin look and feel significantly snazzier thanks to leather-covered surfaces and a mix of micro-suede and carbon fiber accents. The TRX's flat-bottom steering wheel features a pair of prominent paddle shifters, but there's also a floor shifter located on the center console. The TRX's top options include a digital rear-view mirror, a head-up display, and heated and ventilated front seats. Infotainment and connectivity. Vertically mounted in the middle of the dashboard on every TRX is a 12.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The unit boasts Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in navigation, and Sirius XM satellite radio. The display can be divided into separate menus so that multiple applications can be open at once, and it also features physical knobs and buttons on the screen's surrounding bezel for more intuitive controls. Unfortunately, our long-term TRX's large, 12.0-inch center touchscreen suffered frequent blackouts, something we haven't experienced with the company's Yukon Next systems that run smaller screens. The truck can also be outfitted with a mighty 900-watt, 19-speaker Harman/Kardon sound system. Safety and driver assistance features. Ram stocks its mightiest pickup with a plethora of available driver assistance technology, including a function that helps make hooking up a trailer easier. For more information about the TRX's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include available lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, available blind spot monitoring, available adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. Ram's limited and powertrain warranties align with all rivals except for Nissan, which covers those areas for longer periods, 5 years or 100,000 miles. However, Ram doesn't offer any complimentary maintenance like Chevy, GMC, and Toyota do. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.